Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Kurt Dashing Adventures, and for today's video we're going to share to you our experience as we visit the so-called New Zealand of the Philippines, which is located in San Marcelino, Zambales, the Lake Mapanwepe. We left at around 2 a.m. because the travel time going to Zambales is around 4 hours. Prior to our travel date, we already contacted a tour guide that will lead us to Lake Mapanwepe. Our meetup time is at 6 a.m. and we met our tour guide at Barangay Rabanes Elementary School. This is the first road trip ng aming Ford Raptor and we really enjoyed the ride. Before reaching Lake Mapanwepe, we have to cross maliliit na sapa, a lot of bumps, ups and downs the road, plus the fact na very sandy din yung road because of the lahar caused by Mount Pinatubo. But food trip is really powerful kasi sobrang sisiw lang sa kanya nung biyahe na to. We only traveled around 20 to 25 minutes from the Rabulan Elementary School to Lake Mapanwepe. Upon reaching Lake Mapanwepe, you will see the serenity and calmness of this location, although medyo marami-rami na din mga tao na nagka-camp here. We choose a location na very near sa lake para presko. Dito namin binild yung aming tent, and of course, inopen na din namin yung owning ni Food Trip. You have to pay several fees pag pumunta kayo dito sa Lake Mapanwepe. First is the campsite fee or the parking fee, which is 300 per car pag day trip lang kayo. If it's overnight, it's gonna be 600 per car. Ecotourism fee is 30 pesos per head. They also have barangay entrance, which is 10 pesos per head. And then, if kukuha kayo ng tour guide, that's 500 per car one way. Pero pagkabalikan naman, that's 800 pesos. Sobrang presko din dito sa Lake Mapanwepe, malakas yung hangin at fresh air. Pero may mga times na umulan-ulan during our visit. Good thing that we have our tent and also our owning. There are also a lot of katutubos that will approach you and offer you their local products like fruits, vegetable, and also some souvenirs. And if you want to disconnect from the social media world or sa internet, especially with your kids, this is a good place to go kasi there is no signal here. So wala silang choice kundi mag-play ng cards, magpalipad ng salanggola, and just chill and relax. We had our grilled sanjupsal for lunch that we really enjoyed. As much as we would like to stay overnight, we only stayed day trip from 7 a.m. until 1 p.m. Kasi wala pa ditong kuryente and it's gonna be hard for the kids to stay overnight. Aside from that, medyo malayo din kasi yung bathroom from the campsite namin. So around 1 p.m. nakapag-pack up na kami and dumating na din yung aming tour guide that will lead us going out of Lake Mapanwepe. Just make sure na meron kayong tour guide kasi medyo tricky din talaga yung daan going in and out of this location. And wala ngang signal dito so wala kayong way to use your internet to navigate. Overall, this adventure is very enjoyable and exciting at talagang nag-enjoy ang buong family namin. And if you will ask, babalik pa ba kami sa Lake Mapanwepe? We will definitely come back. So if you like this video guys, please don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Follow us in Facebook and in TikTok, Kurt Dashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till next time!